So yes, now our program is very small, and here you can remember these two variables, and it's not a difficult scenario for you to call the function. But what if you are having 10 to 15 parameters to your function, and as you are skipping some parameters here by using default arguments here? So what's the scenario in such case? It will be a confusing, right? So we can just make use of the named arguments concept here. So here you can see a and colon, right? I'm just zooming a little bit so that you can see a and colon we have not specified or we have not typed here, but it is displaying by default because it is considering the value 15 to be for the variable a here. So the same way you can specify the value, the name of the parameter you can specify here. So for example, I want the value of b to be 15. So here I am specifying b here and equal to 15, and we are getting an error because it is asking for the parameter a here. So also we can provide the value of a here 20. But coming to the declaration, we are accepting a first then b, right? So according to the sequence I'm speaking, so here a comma p, but at the time of calling we are calling b and a here. But you can see here we have provided it according to the name arguments here, so it's no problem. It will go exactly, a will be going exactly to the a position here and b will go to the b position here. If you have any doubts, let's try to print the values also. A is, you can just print the value of a, and b is here. Now try to run the code and you can see the value of a is 20. Here you have declared the a value to be 20, so it is exactly going into the variable a here, and b is 15, so it is exactly going into the b position here. So here we, with the using of the named parameters, we are passing the parameters accurately to whatever the position. And if you are a beginner, you can also follow our Kotlin series. I am providing the link in the description section below. And also if you have faced any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.